Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to be looking at the dual dash cam, the DC06. Um, I got this from Amazon. It's a actually I have one now, but this one here is a little bit nicer. And one of the main reasons I like it, it's compact, nice and compact, but the GPS unit is already inside, so you don't need to have a third plug. It comes with a standard cigarette charger for powering up with a cord, and also the backup camera. I'm not going to be using the backup camera per se because I'm only interested in recording any accidents that will occur in the front. So this is really nice and compact, and this is one of the handiest little gadgets. This is what mounts to your windshield here, and then this is magnetic, and it just clicks right in place like that, which is nice. And when you want to take it out, away you go. Beautiful. Love this little unit. And like I said, if there's ever an accident, I want to be covered.